motorcycle. It is freezing out, boys. I was in bed. Isn't that funny? Oh, I know. Holy suffering! Wow, that's pretty nice. That was good. But yeah, I'm gonna go look at that tractor again. Apparently the big dumb goof isn't gonna be there this time though, so that'll be handy. Oh, looks like somebody decided my cone didn't need to be there anymore. Huh. But yeah, I guess. I mean, last time I almost puked. It was crazy. It was like driving with too much. The guy's just like on the brakes, on the throttle. I mean, it's just insane the way this guy drives. Like, holy living shit. I'm gonna barf. We're gonna have to pull over like 17 times. I'm gonna have to barf. That's no good. With that guy. Hopefully we get back with enough times to change the oil on this bitch too. It's like down half a gallon, and I didn't want to put any more in it because I got to change it anyways. So we're just running her low. Terrible. Oh, look who decided to grace us with his presence. Holy f***.
We driving this thing?
I guess.
Tractor ready and loaded and ready to go.
Oh, wow, what do we have here? Nice. Nice. Oh, look. You see that? Freaking crumbling. No. August restaurant. It's my first grindr date in a long time. Oh man, I'm gonna get my genitals wanked on. Terrible. Look at that.
Oh, it's cripple park.
Oh, well, we're with you, so.
No, you can't park here, dude.
We're with you, so might as well just park in the cripple spot. You know what I mean? You're pretty much f***ed, so.
No matter how special ed you are, you can't park there.
That probably counts, I would think. Oh, they're bum f***ing. Look at that, just bum f***ing right out in the open.
Racing.
How about right here?
That seems so much better.
Oh, bonjour.
In the corner, just like I like it.
Yeah. Oh, what do we have? Oh, Grey Poupon. Lobster tater tots. Ooh, a mushroom sausage. Mushroom sausage and Brussels sprouts.
A mushroom head on a sausage. That's what you got your mind on.
Yeah, I like to have some of the soups. What's the soup
I
today?
have a split pea and ham or a curried vegetable.
Probably the split pea and ham.
Sure.
And
Small bowl, large.
sure, a small one, and then a Reuben sandwich.
Okay, for yourself.
Can I get the breakfast?
Which breakfast would you like?
Build my own
Build your own?
breakfast.
Sure. How would you like your eggs?
Over easy. Do you have rye bread?
I do, yes. Would you like bacon or falafel or avocado?
I would like bacon.
Bacon.
And sausage.
And sausage? Sure. No problem.
Are they patties or are they?
They are patties because we make them in-house.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
What? In your butt?
Feel like something just came over there.
Triple. How much was that?
$66.
Holy.
Breakfast.
If we're gonna fucking bump, you don't have to pay for it. Look at this friggin' thing. Decent. This thing fucks the ground up big time. What happened?
So apparently we have to wait for Jeff.
That's all I know.
Nice.
But Dirt Joe's house tent, the guy who rents over there, I mean, he was worried about this over there on Hard Drive. Okay, these cylinders were rebuilt a year ago.
Okay.
New, what do you call it, seals and everything put in.
Okay, excellent.
Here's the key. You turn it on and then you flip that switch off and then push the button, I guess.
All right, do you mind starting it? Uh-oh. Make sure.
It disables that fuel shutoff. You might need a spring on that. Hasn't been used in 2 years. That high.
Yeah.
I only ever seen it
Couple inches.
well, see, he had exotic cars in the barn next door,
yeah.
and he had it parked in front of the door. That's no big deal. You take the pin out, put a new one in. Actually, a guy messaged me. He's got a couple of these for parts.
Well.
If anyone's looking. Because he cleared the land over there.
Oh yeah.
And they
Or what?
oh, we have the conservation authority here, and he didn't get approval to take them out.
Right?
100 grand fine.
Wow.
And he had to plant trees back.
Wow. That's exciting.
Yeah, he used to own the whole corner,
Right?
and then he sold part of it off. And he's been giving us such a hard time about. We didn't know he's had the keys that long. He I don't know what his game is.
I don't really know. I don't know if you know, we were here last Saturday because Liz told me to come.
Liz has nothing to do with it outside of.
Well, I ended up showing up. This guy threatened to call the cops in like 3 minutes.
I turned around there this morning, started to get a huffy and puffy.
Yeah. I couldn't apologize to him enough, and I was really sorry. And
You know what? If he's gonna have a winery there,
yeah,
it ain't gonna be very long with
Oh,
an attitude like
no,
that.
he's
See, that
fine.
building was built to be a winery.
oh, okay.
I can't wait to borrow this thing off you. Just pull cars around in the yard.
Oh, I'm still looking. The one pipe the guy didn't want to sell, the 20-footer, but it was
Okay.
half-inch thick. And
That's all the thickness that is. What do you think? Yeah?
I love buying tractors.
Any bets on how long you get stuck?
Oh, 3 minutes.
I got an hour. I'll take that checking period.
Whoever's closer wins.
Yeah. Somewhere between 3 minutes and an hour.
you guys got a pen?
I got one in the car, I think.
I got a magic marker.
Yeah, that's what
There
I
you
got,
go.
but I really don't want to do it with the magic.
Oh, it's magic.
Okay.
Magically delicious.
All right, it'll work. All right, buddy. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
much.
no
Nice
problem.
to meet you.
Don't.
This week. It'll get moved this week.
All right.
I don't like where it was sitting, so I couldn't really do anything. Right? I don't know how to operate. Am I going to beat this truck beside me or
Yeah.
around me?
Just thunder around in the fucking
Oh,
thing.
you got to hand throttle it, right?
Yeah.
And there's no decel pedal.
And you can't hand throttle it and hand turn it at the same time.
No, I found that out.
Try doing the one with your cock, I guess. Oh! It's funny, we made it back without puking. Nobody puked. Hey, nobody puked, buddy.
What you did?
No, I didn't. I never did. Nobody puked. I get to drive home for 45 minutes. Oh. This guy's hilarious. He thinks he's a good driver. Just hammer on the brakes and this and that, and I lose a little traction maybe 2 times, and you're just like, oh!
We almost died. It was some of the closest calls in my life.
Yeah, no doubt.
You know what it was like. You lived it.
I was there.
You lost traction at about $1.48 or something.
Yeah.
It's just things trying to take off.
It's
There's
just
a tail
ice,
on the
though.
back. It's just like
It's just ice.
not giving the down pressure needed.
Yes, sir. Smoke cigarettes. Oh, Jack.
Oh,
This guy is going to prison. Yeah, I'd be in the 3rd lane over cramming on my brakes too, you stupid. Oh, man.
Gotta see what's happening.
Yeah. Oh, I'm starting to think it's cracked down on the big rig season a little bit, which is handy. That's good news for dump truck putt 1.